This is MadDogstrains.com. Here's a short video how to install your railroad crossing kit. Basically, you're going to have a control box assembly all wired up, ready to go. Make sure when you mount it, the wire connectors are coming out the bottom. You have your fence post and your mounting box bracket kit. You're going to use a 8 or 6 by 2 cedar or Woolmanized. I would recommend Woolmanized because it lasts longer. In the ground, and then you're going to take and mount your brackets to the post, and then these ends with the screws will mount them to the back of the box. So you're going to have it vertically up and down. You're going to get your fence post galvanized 1 5/8, 6 or 8 foot, 10 foot if you want to go. And these are the base mounting brackets. What you're going to do is you're going to tap these in, use the concrete or the asphalt, put on the base, and then tap them into here. Just be careful you don't tap them straight. And then these are the top caps. Once you mount your bell, you're going to put the top caps on then. Then next thing is basically you're going to have 2 cables. One's approximately 30 feet and the other one's approximately 15 feet. The shorter one is going to be mounted to the box side on the one road or the path side. The other side is going to be mounted through the ground or across the tracks to the other pole. So once you have your poles set up, mounted to the base, you're going to take the drill marks and drill into your poles shown in the instructions. You have your rubber grommets for your wires. You're going to hook up your bell wire through the pole all the way up and out the hole, preferably solder it, good connection. And then you're going to take and mount your bell, run your wires back down through, pull them through to the next hole, which is crossbar lights. So basically these connectors, do not put your plastic connectors on yet. Once you run them through the pole and out the pole, you can put these connectors on, because if you do it before, you're going to have a problem getting them through the hole. Number 2 is the black wires. Number 1 is the black wires. Number 2 is the colored wires. So the green and white is going to go in number 2, and number 1 is going to be in for the black wires. Just make sure you line them up to the colors just like they're showing. You're going to have a indication of a triangle. That's going to be for the black wires. So you're going to do both poles. Make sure you get them all set in, and once you get it set, before you mount it and all that, test it. Make sure the bells work and make sure the lights work. Basically, A button turns the unit on, B button turns the bell on. A button shuts them both off, or B button shuts the bell off. So once you get it all set, test it before you mount them. And if you have any problem, you can email us at maddogstrains@gmail.com. Thank you.